when a company promises something for quite a while and they don't come through, it just ticks me, right? So one of the things that I purchased was this because it's a new high end. I was gonna set up for my Bambu PS1, and the price is a little hefty. It was 124 plus 136 with tax and everything. 134, I believe it is, with tax and everything. You know, I made a commitment to something that is going to be running for me for quite a while, but unfortunately, I followed another YouTuber that was talking about it, but was nothing but good praises on this stuff. So I'm going to tell you the truth. I've been waiting for this thing since September. And right now we are in April. So it's just been quite a while since they said that they were going to come out with it. And of course, 30-day money back guarantee and stuff like that. Let's see if it goes through. So I am actually asked for my money back on this one. We're going to wait a while, see if we get it back. But once these that I look at things, at products, it's like, never judge a book by its cover. But this time, hey, we are. So back, I believe, a couple months ago, the CEO actually released a video promising that it was going to get here. Then following up another video saying that there are delays. They had an issue with the PLA printing on the system itself. So I would just completely take this whole entire thing out of the market until you get your shit ready. Because until you get your shit right, I would say, because this is unheard of. That it's just they promise and they keep showing videos of how to install it, how to do all sorts of crap. It just there's nothing to show or anything. And now those YouTubers that were following doing this stuff, I don't hear anything from them. Of course, all of a sudden they delete, they demonetize their stuff, they completely close that thing out, or it's been hidden. I went into Facebook that they had the actual messages. It's somewhere probably embedded within all those things. I think this is one of those things that they come through. They were saying we're going to talk about it, but it just you see their social media and you don't find a lot of the information no more or what the delays. But they keep talking about it, the new version and everything. But it's all promises, guys. So my recommendation is don't buy this until they actually physically have an inventory. And because of tariffs, there might be even more delays on this. So there's some certain components that are going to be delayed even longer. So my recommendation, if you really want to replace the hot end for the same price, you can buy two of the Bambu micro swifts. All right. So check these out. These are actually a little bit more. They have something to show for already, and you could actually replace the nozzle instead of replacing the whole thing. They made a little tool where you just remove the hot end, and it's easy to replace. So if you are looking for something that you're desperately need right now, you could probably get this now instead of waiting for another year before they release something. So make sure you do your homework. If you're one of those people that are waiting and are going to completely waiting, I just suggest you cancel your order. And if prices are fixed, or because they might lower even the prices as soon as they compete with Micro Swiss, and because it does the same exact thing as what they promised. So I would just completely cancel the order, get your money back. These guys are probably just sitting on your money or spent your money. And if they're sitting on your money, they're making interest on your money. But if you are going to be working with either this slicer engineer, a recommendation is just keep your hands away from it until they get their shit together. Because right now, they don't got inventory. You shouldn't be buying this stuff at all.